Welcome to the online movie rental system. This web application allows users to browse a wide collection of movies, rent them, and manage their rentals, all from the convenience of their browser. In this video, I'll be walking you through the key features of the system, which is built using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and XML for data storage. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about user registration. To create an account, the username must be unique. If you try to sign up with a username that already exists, you'll be prompted to choose another. Additionally, the password must be entered correctly in both fields to match. This ensures security right from the start. Once your account is created, logging in is easy. Simply enter your username and password correctly, press the login button, and you'll be directed to the home page of the movie rental system. After logging in, you'll land on the home page where you can view all available movies. Each movie is listed with its title, genre, and release year, giving users a clear overview of what's available. To make finding a specific movie easier, I've implemented a search functionality. You can search by movie name, genre, or even release year. Just enter your criteria in the search bar, and the system will dynamically filter the results for you. Ready to rent a movie? You can do that with just a click. Keep in mind, each user can only rent one copy of a specific movie at a time, but you can rent multiple different movies as long as you haven't rented that particular movie already. To keep track of your rentals, there's a View Rental History section. Here you can see a list of all the movies you've rented so far. This way, you always know what you've watched and what's still out on rental. Once you're done watching a movie, head to the Return Movie section. The admin will then update the rental status, and the movie will be marked as returned in your account. This ensures an organized and smooth process for managing rentals. In the Manage Profile section, users can update their username or change their password. This helps keep user accounts secure and customizable. And when you're done, simply click the Logout button to securely exit your account. Now, let's switch over to the admin side of the system. Admins have their own login page, and once logged in, they can access the admin dashboard to manage the entire system. The first section on the admin dashboard is the Add Movie section. Admins can add new movies to the site by filling out a simple form, including the movie title, genre, release year, and other relevant details. Next, in the Manage Movies section, admins can update existing movie records or delete them from the system if needed. This helps keep the movie library up to date. Admins also have the ability to manage users. In the Manage Users section, admins can view all registered users and delete their accounts if necessary. In the Manage Rentals section, admins can update the status of rented movies. When a user returns a movie, the admin will mark it as returned. Once the status is updated, the user will see the movie listed as returned in their account. And after returning a movie, users are free to rent the same movie again if they want to rewatch it. That wraps up the key features of the online movie rental system. From registering and renting to admin management, the system covers everything you need for a smooth movie rental experience. If you're interested in learning more or building similar applications, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.